How to replace the CPU. Before you begin, remove the speaker mesh, display panel, and heatsink. Removal. Note: before you remove the CPU from the motherboard, you should clean all of the thermal grease off of the CPU. Gently press down the CPU load lever. Then push it to the side, away from the CPU socket, to allow it to rise to the spring-loaded position. Grasp the edges of the CPU and carefully remove it from its socket. Replacement. Note: identify the golden triangle on the corner of the chip assembly and the golden triangle on the socket on the motherboard by the mark on the corner of the socket stencil. Hold the CPU over its socket in the motherboard and align the golden triangle at the corner with the corresponding triangle. Place the CPU into its socket on the motherboard. Push the CPU load lever down and then sideways to secure the CPU.